How to insert text box on Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your docs. Then create a new document. And now if you want to add a text box, go to this plus and create a table with one row and one column. Insert table, and now you have a text box here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.